Guys, representing Beast IDT Himachal Pradesh, we have Vishal Magar coming in. He goes by Damn That Boy Fight, is an influencer and is a very well-rounded fighter. He steps in for a bantamweight bout. Man, Vishal is really well. So there's Vishal, guys. Very well-rounded fighter. Can strike, can grapple, can go to the ground. So he has an armbar finish too in one of his previous fights. Let's see what's the strategy this time. So his training camp was pretty good this time. But then again, his weight cut was severe on his body. So he had issues during his weight cut. But I feel he's recovered from this. The last time I had a word with him, he said he's recovered, looks in good shape. So I feel like that won't be of much effect. And we'll get to see a good fight. Manav GVS fighting out of Combat Kinetics, Tamil Nadu. Man, this guy's got a Muay Thai base. He's going to do really well in striking, controls distance, controls range. Has fought in MMA, IMMAF competitions also. Performed really well there too. Fought in the Asian Championships too. So he's well-rounded too. All in all, we get to see a very well-rounded fight this time. That's his cornerman. Also fighters fighting on this card. Let's go, guys. Insane matchup. Pahadi versus South Indian. So I had a chat with Manav regarding his striking base. So I wanted to know whether he's going to go striking this time. What is the strategy? Then again, his response was that he's well-rounded. He can grapple. He can strike. So it's going to be unpredictable. That's the tail of tape for you guys. Similar height, obviously same weight. Let's kick off this. And we kick off this fight. Both of them. And he lands a solid kick. Damn. The Muay Thai base is really showing. I don't know how Vishal stood after that. Manav takes him down. That was a crazy, crazy head kick. Can't get over it. And he's in mount already. Vishal does look a little dazed because of the kick. That was a display of some high level striking. He timed it perfectly. He has his back. And no, Vishal does a good job of countering it. Again, he is in mount. In no time, he can get a ground and pound entry. That is the goal, and he's succeeding at it. Vishal needs to get one of the hooks in. He reverses it really well. It was a great display, great reversal. He stands up, doesn't want it to be on the ground. He goes for a takedown. That was a bit confusing. Is it a setup for a triangle? Does Manav get the triangle? He just needs to lock in. He needs to get the arm to the other side and the job will be done. He's locked in the triangle. He needs to isolate that arm. He has the triangle. Just isolate that arm. Oh, he's pinched his foot. He's getting it tighter. Vishal needs to stand up to get the weight. Yeah, he's doing a good job. He's doing a good job. I feel he can defend it. Yep, I see him defending this comfortably. So Manav is in mount again. There's a ground and pound entry. He needs to keep raining those shots and the fight will end. He tries a triangle from mount. He gets an armbar. He gets an armbar. Does he tap? Does he tap? Just 4 seconds remaining and no, he reverses it. Great job by Vishal. I don't know, this guy is really, really resilient. After eating that head kick, most of the fighters would have been down. He got dazed for a second. You can check out his left eye. There's a little bit of a bruise there. He got dazed for a second, but the recovery was so fast. That was a crazy display of endurance. Man, that kick needs to be appreciated more. Maybe we get a replay.
Stay awake with thoughts running deep. We are warriors fighting silent wars, chasing dreams behind closed doors. Warriors in a world of dreams, facing fears, tearing at the seams. We are warriors in the night we gleam, living life.
What a display, guys. We're heading into round 2 now. Let's see if Manav lands another one early on before the distance is closed. Some kicks, some calf kicks to gauge the distance. I have a feeling Vishal should maybe take this to the ground. That could be to his advantage. And he does it. Really good throw. Really good hip throw by Vishal. Tried to take the back but is unable to because of the alligator rolls that Manav is doing. Manav is back on his feet. Lands a clean knee. So he had an armbar locked in the previous round. Maybe that's the route he's trying to go now. There's a good setup for a knee. But if he accidentally hits the knee on the face, it's a disqualification. So maybe he's not willing to take that risk. Vishal is defending really well. As soon as he figures out Manav is going for the back, he twists his hip, gets on the floor. Okay, there's a ground and pound entry. He's setting up an armbar again. He's setting up an armbar once again. Manav had an opportunity to land a few strikes. I don't know, maybe he's decided that he wants to go for that submission. Yeah, see, he's going for the back again. He's getting the hooks in. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Vishal really uses his hips really well. As soon as he knows there's a threat of his opponent taking his back, he uses those hips really well. See, this is what I'm talking about. There are chances for some ground and pound shots. Can he reverse this? Can he reverse this? And yes, Vishal does it. What an amazing job. And there you can see him landing a strike. That's what we expect from the opponent on the top. Needs to pass his guard, so he's in guard. So yet again, Manav tries for the triangle. So he's grabbing his foot, locking it in the knee pit. But Vishal is too good to be caught in that second time. Yep, he's trying his best to isolate that arm. That is the step that remains. He has him in that again. Just 10 seconds remaining, guys. Yep, he lands a strike. Bro, this is such an interesting matchup and such an exciting one. From a few well-placed strikes to the amazing defense on the ground by Vishal, it's been really well. Standing up and fighting and continuing the fight after that head kick in round 1 in itself is a miracle. So there you can see there was quite a lot of setups for a triangle. But then again, Vishal is too good defensively. I feel like Manav needs to capitalize. He's getting good positions. He's getting in mount a lot. So he needs to maybe try to go for a TKO via ground and pound. But I think he's more comfortable with a submission. That's what he's trying to target. So now we're kicking off the final round. Let's go. It commences. Let's see. Lands a big one. And another one. Manav trying for the head kick. Strategically, he should take this to the ground. Take it. Go for the ground and pound. Try to TKO Vishal. That is a good outcome for Manav, I would say. Vishal is defensively just too superior. And he does the same throw again. So he's transitioning to mount. Manav blocks really well with the other leg. Let's see. I feel like Vishal can get into one of the ground and pound entries. Again, he does a trip reversal. That was a really good reversal by Manav. Needs to get that knee shield out that Vishal has put in. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Just land a couple of those strikes. Maybe try to daze him again. Yes, see, that's what I'm talking about. Land them.
Good, pass the secure the position first. Secure the position. Fire down. Drop your fire. Lead the body, Eddie. Lead the body, Good, good. Half guard control. Shoulder justice. Come on, let's go.
Vishal has secured Manav's left leg.
Control that, control that, control that. American motor, ready. Lead the body, Nadi. Manav, I want you to be active, Manav. Pound.
Yeah, there's the thing Manav does. He lands a clean knee. So if you notice, Manav tries to pin the opponent's arm under his knee. So maybe he's setting up for an armbar, or maybe he wants to get into that ground and pound entry. But then again, he isn't landing a lot of strikes from the top position. So here again, he's putting all of his weight on Vishal's chest, making it harder to breathe, gassing out the opponent further. And now he's doing it. He's landing a couple of strikes. He just needs to keep at it. That's the deal. That's the deal. Yeah, keep landing them and victory would be his. Vishal is still doing a good job. He manages to secure a grip to prevent that. See, that's what I'm talking about. He pins the knee. Yeah, not getting caught in that the second time. He even shakes his head. Says no, not this time. Yep, he's landing them. And that's the end of the round. Great fight by both of them. Man, I still can't get over that head kick. Solid performance. props to Manav for throwing it, and even more bigger achievement is standing up after that and fighting for 3 whole rounds, which Vishal has done. Both of them crazy fighters. What a fight to witness. What an amazing fight.
I'm the warrior.
Go, Manav! Woo! Let's go! Super fight, Manav! Red corner, red!
After 3 rounds,
Yeah, you can see the moment. He says, "Not this time. You're not flipping me over this time." Now we head to the official decision.